Hey guys, this is Bobby Andonov. Did you know that 1 in every 5 children in Australia have been impacted by domestic violence? It's time for the statistics to change. I'd like to invite you to join us in making a stand. Together we can give these kids a voice and make some noise to celebrate the joyful lives all kids deserve to live. This campaign involves getting as many students together as possible and getting them to make as much noise as they can for 1 minute, taking a stand against domestic violence. And this is our 1 minute of noise.